One additional short little video here, about 5-6 minutes. I just wanted to continue on with the notes I missed in the last one. We ended with the depression contours, and I wanted to continue on with the next slide, at least, maybe into the other one. But calculating the highest point on a mountain, and this is, or on a hill, this is kind of one of the harder things, I think, to understand. But basically what you do is you find the last or the highest contour line on the hill, and you imagine you drew another line after it, and then that line, right, whatever that contour interval is, so say it's 20, right, and you're up to 200, so it would be 220 would be the next line if you drew it, right, and then subtract 1, and so that would be 19, so it would be 219. I know that seems easy, or maybe simple, but it actually takes a little bit of thought process. The other thing I wanted to go over is the rules for contour rules, right? There's only 3 real major ones. Contour lines close around hills, basins, and depressions, or extend to the edge of the map, right? They may create loops eventually, but they may extend to the map. Contour lines never cross each other, right? One elevation can't cross the other one. And contour lines that form V's at the point and point upstream whenever crossing a stream, and the mouth, right, is spitting out the water. So the mouth is spitting out the water. Again, V's point upstream whenever they're crossing, and they will never cross, and they close around hills, so they get concentric circles, get inside of each other, and they create a hill. But the one thing I'm going to go back to this slide here, and I want to go to my whiteboard and just show you what I meant about calculating the highest point. So if you look at the whiteboard, I have this hill that I'm trying to draw. It really doesn't. What's nice about this is it really doesn't matter. I'm not going to create an index contour, but I'm going to say my index or my contour interval is 20 feet. I'm going to use a little line to represent feet. So 20 feet. So if I started at the bottom and I say this is an island. All right. So 0, and then this would be 20, right? 20, and this would be 40. My contour interval is 20, so 40, right? And this one is going to be 0 because it's going to be the ocean. We're at sea level. And so if I was to calculate the highest point on this hill, it's not 40. And the reason why it's not 40, because this can still go up, it's just not going to go to the next contour line. So if I pretended to write in the next contour line, and I said, okay, so if I had a contour line here, this would be 60, because I'm going up 20 more, but it's not really there. So what you do is you take the largest contour, you pretend to put the next one up there, and then you say, okay, it's not 60, right? But it can be up to 60. So if you take 60, right, and you subtract 1 from it, minus 1, you would get 59. Now, for all intents and purposes, 59 is fine. 59 is fine. When you think about 59, it's actually 59.999999999 that the top line can be. But 59 is fine with that. And I just wanted to add that extra little piece. I'll include this video with the notes as well, so that you can just continue going on. All right, thank you very much, and sorry for the for the delay on this section, but hopefully it satisfies the rest of the notes. Thank you.